gentlemen, we're back today with another video. We're in the Terminator Cobra. Again, finally. I've had so many issues with this car, it's not even funny. But we're back in it. I believe the last time you saw this on the channel, it was still Eaton swap. Or, not Eaton swap, but it still had the Eaton on it. Now it's got a nice VMP Gen 3R on it. And today, we're going over because we are taking a look at my old daily driver. The reason why we're looking at it today is it's got an oil leak. Now, thankfully, I don't drive it anymore, so I have time to actually look at it and possibly fix it. I believe it's the rear main seal that's leaking. But we're gonna see today. We're gonna get up on the lift and check it out. Switch over to Borla Attacks, but we do have American Racing 1 3/4 long tube headers. I should have bought the 1 7/8 back in the day. The only reason I did it is because I was on a budget, still in college, stuff like that, and it just didn't work out the way that I wanted it to. I didn't have the money that I do now these days. Anyway, but I would have went with 1 7/8. Honestly, would have went with Cooks, but American Racing, I just had a really good deal on the X-Pipe and long tube combo that I really couldn't pass up back in the day. So we ended up going with that, and we paired them with some SLP long tubes. I mean, SLP loudmouths, not long tubes. We did have Borla stingers on the car, and I might switch back to them, but they weren't as loud as what they were, but I'm still considering switching back just because they do have a really good tone on them. But since I've already had those, I would really like to try out Borla Attacks, just because. It just skates. I told you, that was third. It just skates. Here's the truck. Hopefully, it's got enough oil in it we could fire it up and pull it in. But yeah, it still used to be the old daily. Let me get this unlocked. It's really dirty, obviously. It might help if I actually unlocked it. Get this. Well, prodigal son returns. Alright, let's get this backed up. Alright, got the truck up in the air. Let's take a look up under here, see what we can see. Like I said, I believe it's the rear main seal. Obviously, it's all leaking from right in here, so you can see. I thought it might have been the oil drain plug. It does have a tiny bit of a coolant leak. But, as you can see, oil right there. And I believe, I really want to say, it's coming from right there. I feel like this is where it's all stemming from. It could be this thing right here, which I don't know if this is a... Ooh, that might be it right there. That might be it. See how loose that is? I don't know what that is, but that might be it. That little gasket right here. So, I don't know. We'll have to kind of figure it out. I'm tempted to pop that open, but we'll see. So I do think I found the leak. That gasket that I was showing you that was really loose under the bell housing. So off camera, after I turned the camera off, I ended up taking that little gasket out. There's some debris in it. So I put it back up and it was very tight. And there's actually some oil on the underside of it. So cleaned it off, like I said, took the debris out, cleaned the debris off. And I put it back up in there and it was really tight. And there was no play or movement in it anymore. So we're gonna see if it still leaks with that, and hope it doesn't. That's my uncle. gentlemen, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.